really good? This your boy Desi07 back again with another video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and a review of the Ring Chime Pro. We got the box right here. We got the knife right here. We're about to get to it, baby. Right down the middle. Voila. Here we go. Ring Chime Pro. As you can see, it's better connection for your Ring products, for your home security. Basically extend your Ring network around your whole entire home. Double the distance of your Ring network. Eliminate dead zone. Connects to any Wi-Fi. Easy to set up. Plug in Chime Pro, set it up. Link it to your Ring device. It's compatible with the App Store, Google Play, and the Windows Store. Just a quick story where I've been. Basically just been living life, enjoying life, losing weight, getting in shape.
Boy, if you don't...
Y'all see it, boy. And just doing my thing. But here we have it. It's the Ring Chime Pro. You got the antennas. It looks similar to the regular Ring Chime, which I do have upstairs. Just look a little bit more modern. I like that. Just plug it in, open up the app on your phone, customize the alert preferences, connect your Ring devices, enjoy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it upstairs, show y'all the original Ring Chime. I'm gonna plug that in, get it set up. All right, so this right here will be a test for the original Ring Chime. We're gonna step outside on the front porch and walk around the curve to the front garage. Let's give it a shot. All right. So here's the original Ring Chime. As you can see, it has been taking some damage. Had it for about 3 years. And it's time to go down with the old and with the new. But actually the Ring Chime Pro has been out for a little while. It's just time for this one to get upgraded. So we see the obstacle ahead. I'll go ahead and pull it out. Yeah, time to go. Plug in a new one. Let's see if we... Oh, that's not gonna work. So, I'm gonna have to take this out. Let's see. Yep. So it will take up 2. But let's see if I put it at the top. Okay, it makes the bottom a little accessible, but that's upside down. So this is gonna have to go somewhere else. All right, it's all set to go. Let's go downstairs and do a test. So the setup was pretty easy. Just plug it into the wall. We're gonna connect it to your existing home Wi-Fi. You're gonna link your Ring devices to the Chime Pro. Then it's going to ask you if you want to link your devices to the Chime Pro extended network. And that's what we're trying to get established here. We want everything to be to the Chime Pro extended network so we can get our notifications faster and all that other good magic stuff that it's going to create. So in order to do that, you got to take apart your Ring devices and press the reset button. So we got the ladder right here. I'm about to go outside because I have the floodlight camera that's over the garage, and we have the regular doorbell. The doorbell should be easy, but we're gonna get to work, people. Let's get it. All right, so here's the Ring doorbell. I'm about to take it apart and press the orange button to reset it so it can connect. I already got the screws loose. Pop, orange button right there. Alright, we're in front of the garage. I'm gonna climb up top and look for this button that it's talking about. It's been a while since I've been up here. Almost lost my balance. I know the haters will love to see me fall. It ain't gonna happen. So let's get right above it. There we go. I'll press that button. Alright, so I'm back. And I got some news for you guys. So the Ring Chime Pro is a great product, but you must move it around your house to figure out the best signal that your Ring devices could get. So basically, if you got the floodlight, you could go in and go to device health and look at the signal strength. Now, before the Chime Pro, I was actually getting a good signal at my doorbell and my floodlight. So basically, I didn't look at the number. I wasn't paying attention to the number. Once I hooked up the Ring Chime Pro, got everything linked together or what have you, I started noticing that number. So it seems like the lower you could get the number, the better signal it'll be. So at one point after the Chime Pro, my signal went from good to okay, and I wasn't feeling that. So I just started going around the house, plugging it into different wall sockets and trying to get the best signal. So as of now, the best signal that I could get is around 56, and that's just what it is. Now, I might just disconnect the whole Ring Chime Pro and just connect to my regular Wi-Fi and see what that number was. So my advice to you guys is to look, see what your signal strength is, and that number that's right beside the signal strength, because you're gonna wanna document that and save it, because you wanna know if the Ring Chime Pro is actually helping or if it's not helping your device. So it's just all about getting the notifications faster. That's what I'm trying to establish. So meanwhile, y'all saw my buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and plug him back up also. So I'm gonna have 2 chimes, and they all gonna be running from the Chime Pro network. So besides that, I can tell a difference from like if I look at the live view, it pops up in 1 second. 1 second literally. So I'm satisfied with that. I'm about to walk outside and see if I can get a little response time with the phone and the notification, which the notification is not going to sound because I am recording this through my phone, the Galaxy S9 Plus actually. So, but we will go back and look at the footage of the Ring doorbell and the floodlight. So let's go ahead and do that now, and I'm gonna call it a night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was very informative. That's all I try to do, is spread the knowledge. And if you don't mind, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Also, give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. I'm gonna holler at you. It's your boy, Des Eagle 07. I'm out. All right, let's get the final reaction. Okay, the driveway. Alright. Let's see how that did.